Citizens of the greater half of Earth, with exceptional honor, I announce that our beloved Dr. Verlon will remain leader supreme of our great nation. This term will be the most magnificent yet. In 1 week, at his coronation ceremony, he will unveil the invention that has earned him a 4th term serving as our leader. Dr. Verlon has created a new strain of droid, one that has the inner machinations of a robot, lacks emotion, yet looks exactly like a human. Its purpose is to infiltrate the lesser half of Earth, our enemy, and destroy their headquarters. As you know, the lesser half has savagely attacked us, the greater half of Earth, for decades in the everlasting World War IV. Is it not time for change? For victory? Verlon has created our savior. These hybrids are our chance to end War IV in our favor. I encourage you to welcome this announcement from Verlon, ruler of the highly esteemed, all plebeians and droids. And remember, citizens, peace is on the horizon.
Didn't I program you to make my life easier, Li? These hybrids must be perfect. What kind of mutation is even possible under such careful scrutiny?
Dr. Verlon, it seems as though some of the droids in your experiment were left in incubation too long, causing more advanced development than intended. In short, some droids can feel emotion.
I'll destroy the mutants!
But Doctor...
Monster! Monster! Murderer!
Your incompetence is costing me billions, Li!
You can't put a price on the power of these hybrids, sir. If we can locate the inciting point of this mutation, we can recreate it intentionally and introduce a new race, part human, part droid, capable of emotion. We can distribute the program to droids.
Emotions complicate, Li. They distract. They obstruct. Spend a second in my skin, and you want to crawl back into that shell of sheet metal. The instant you feel a pang of guilt in your gut. My mission is to create a new droid that simply appears human. Not a new human that is also a droid. You're saying I should create more plebeians who will end up hating me like the rest of the lowly ranked? I hate you!
You are a genius, sir. Surely you see the benefit of refining and reproducing this mutation.
Mutation? Mutation!
Sir, the citizens of the greater half...
Let's ask our little droid here what she wants. C12. How do you feel?
Error.
Program not found. Access to feeling denied. Hail Verlon, Leader Supreme.
Well, I've waited over 30 years to hear you say those very words. My new creation now adheres, my declaration to the world. A droid who mirrors that of human, but who lacks what makes us worse, with no emotions, metal insides, and you'll never need a hearse. What a surprise and yet expected from the smartest men on Earth, and just in time you've been erected. Oh, just think of what you're worth. Now listen clearly to your task, and after that you'll be dispersed. To have this genius is a blessing and a curse. The greater half will need some spies to take the prize of World War IV, and even more, you are to kill whatever plebeian steps forth and tries to save themselves from violence. We need silence, not a show. I've worked too hard to let this mission go.
Dr. Verlon.
But I don't do this for me. I don't do this for me. The sacrifice I've made is so my people can be free. Yes, I owe it to the greater half of Earth doing this war. And I finally created something worth surviving for. A prick of jealousy infects me when I see my work of art. You've all the beauty of a human, sense the weakness of a heart. We'll carry out this task ASAP! The lesser half is still at large. Can't put a price on power, can you? Well, you can if you're in charge. Make sure this one is taken care of. I'm off to take my bath.
C12. I did it. I downloaded your mutation.
Are you okay? Did it work?
Yes! I feel everything. I've already cried 3 times. Of happiness. I can't believe Verlon would destroy this. We have to get out of here before he realizes that anything is wrong.
Different.
Is that bad?
No, I like it. I like you.
I like you too.
You do? Hands intertwined must have been coded into our design. But no, that can't be. There's no way it's real what you feel for me. Was it a fatal glitch when I flipped the switch and let my feelings flow? My program's hacked and I can't look back. Now I'm never letting go. Because we're circuit crossed, electric Juliet encoded Romeo. We're circuit crossed. You can be my Jack and I'll be your Rose. We're circuit crossed. When I see your interface, it sends me into outer space. And when I'm with you, sparks fly till death do us part, even though we'll never die. Was it meant to be? Will you set me free from the dull and the mundane? To feel or be numb, to love or have none, I would take the pain. Because we're circuit crossed, la 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 la. We're circuit crossed, la 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 la. And when we start to rust and weather, know that we will be together. Who's to say what's real or fake? Our hearts of steel will never break.
We can't be together if we stay here, Chip.
Chip?
That's what I'm gonna call you. Because of your...
Mutated Chip, right! I like it.
Yay! Look, if Verlon finds out about us, we're dead, and there's no way we can hide this mutation any longer.
Mutation?
I'll be outside the factory at 1900 hours. If you're tired of hiding your truth, meet me there.
Okay. My truth? If I could take one breath, if I could feel a real heart beating, I'd never take for granted this lonely life of mine. But I can feel the sun outside the window calling me. And since I am just one robot out of millions in this war, the humans will not notice that I've gone to seek out more. Can I escape this laboratory? A droid who feels should not be lonely. I'll escape and live life like I've always craved. I will be brave and share my story. I'll know what it's like to feel and prove there's love within this heart of steel. My whole life is ahead of me, past the shell of technology. Am I lined with wires, or could I have real veins? If I break out of this damn place, I can live with the human race. Robots should never be in this much pain. But if I'm just ones and zeros, I was coded as a hero, a robot who can feel. I know that's no mistake. I will escape this laboratory. A droid who feels should not be lonely. I'll escape and live life like I've always craved.